Hello Jovan, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you of the 2016 GSXR1300, also known as the Hayabusa. Currently has 8,473 kilometers on it. The asking price is $11,298 plus HST and licensing. Here is the VIN for your insurance purposes right here. It is a 1340cc liquid cooled 4-cylinder sport bike. It's in the super sport category. As you can see, very low kilometers, 2016, it's in very good condition. One previous owner, the pipes have been changed to Voodoo pipes on this side as well as the other side. This motorcycle comes fully certified, is very clean, only has one previous owner, no damage records found. The wrapping has been removed from it by the previous owner, but it still looks great. If you'd like to come to Voss Motors to take a closer look at this Hayabusa, you're more than welcome to. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.